Should we look at each other and stuff? Oh. Is this like a vlog?
Sure. We're at a park and we're here to talk to you about
tree knowledge.
Yeah, that and trees.
I am Xavier, and this is my friend
Sylvester. We're here to talk about nature
and how
and its mother.
It's course on all women during once of the month.
No. What's the name of the damn park?
I don't know
the name of the park.
We're at a park.
We're at a pork.
We're at a pork.
Gangsters, Alberto. Look at my socks.
Look at my hat backwards.
Okay, so nature, right?
Well, I mean, telephone poles and stuff.
Tires, concrete, stop signs, cars,
condoms.
Alberto's. What?
Sponsored by my purified drinking water.
And our friend, One Job. Here to talk about nature, which we've been saying for the past 10 hours.
We've been here for an hour trying to do 4 shots. And no, not drinking shots, kids. Those are bad.
Unless you're 21 years old. No. Yeah, water is good for you in the grass.
Water.
If you hit my camera, I'm gonna kick.
Is this really gonna be in the video?
I don't know. I'm probably gonna
Okay,
make some vlog. God,
it's water. We are sponsored. Sponsored by Purified Drinking Water. I'd like to tell you how healthy you have to be in order to be healthy.
Good job.
By America.
If you don't know, America is probably where you live. So, I threw up a little bit in my mouth.
Whoa!
Whoa! What are you doing?
Nature's gonna take his course and Alberto's gonna die.
He's gonna get raped.
Kill him.
How is that nature?
Don't commit what you did to the tree to...
Can we get a clip of what I did to the tree? Okay, there. Let's go. Got some water. Thirsty? Quench it. Time to get wood. Copyright Jacob Fernandez, 2015. I'm lactose intolerant from trees. I can't have trees milk because they gave it to their saplings. It's a thing. Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin.
Black Obama, and we're here to...
If you donate $1 to our foundation, you can symbolically adopt a penguin. Penguins everywhere are going extinct, especially the ones in Africa.
Symbolically adopt a penguin.
You donate $1, then they send you a t-shirt and a towel.
Hello guys, I'm Xavier.
Xavier Malcolm.
Fucking, what's your name, Jacob?
Sylvester.
Did you know weeds are part of nature?
Dude.
Like,
I thought nature was
this shit is good for you.
That's some good grass.
Yeah. Hitting the bong and stuff.
This one time,
they have natural chemicals in it too.
This one time when I hit a doobie behind the parking lot of my school.
That's what they
with Xavier.
Yeah.
We
Go
on. We killed a panda bear. Turned out when we sobered up from the smoking of the weed.
We sobered from smoking.
The weed.
Oh yeah, dude. That shit hits you. That's why they call it a natural high. Give me my fucking American flag, dude. Thank you.
So I was riding this.
Yeah.
Then I put weed here.
And I watched, because I have no life.
You know the move, the 360? Well,
yeah.
This one was the 420. What's the other thing then right side up?
Flip a weedie.
Okay, so you know your wheelies? Well, we have wheelies. You have wheelies, we have wheaties. And he's actually high right now. This one time when I did my first wheelie, it's basically when you do a wheelie but you miss because you're high and you fall on your face. It's a penny point that's worth $100. Go America, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
America.
Oh hey, you have colored wheels and the thing's colored.
So when you trip, these all change color at the same time. It's kind of cool when you're at the board.
And actually, whenever you do a trick, it plays the national anthem.
You're like a firework.
We should probably go inside.
Be right back, dude.
Alright, I'll wait here.
Be right back, dude.
Alright.
Whoa.